Hey team, I'm Lakeisha Woodard, Learning Development Manager for Corehesion Development Group. And so I just wanted to come on here and talk candidly to you about why I am so passionate about the work we do here at Corehesion. We are shooting content for Team Building Thursdays, and I have a moment in between shoots. And so I just want to take the time to just have a candid conversation with you. So just in case you are unfamiliar with Team Building Thursdays, on Thursdays, every Thursdays, we drop a video giving you tips and solutions that you can implement immediately in order to transform your company's culture into an inclusive, engaged community. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, you definitely have to go to our YouTube page and check out the playlist that we have called Team Building Thursdays, or you could just scroll up through our LinkedIn page and see those videos as well. But set your notifications. Come back every Thursday because we drop videos every Thursday, and this is a free resource to you. And so, like I said, I just wanted to take a moment to breathe in between videos and just really come on here and talk to you about why I'm so passionate about what we do here at Corehesion Development Group. One of our core values is to revive leadership at every level in the organization. Here we believe that every member of our team is a leader, and every member in our team can be a leader in the position that they're in. We don't believe that you need a fancy, CEO, VP title in order to be a leader. And this is what I love about working for Corehesion. I worked in corporate America for over 15 years in the title insurance industry for majority of that time. And I just remember working at this one particular company, and there were, coworkers there who had been there for 30, 40 plus years. And so I think that's amazing, to be at one company for 40 years. But what I realized is that they were with the company for 30, 40 years doing the exact same thing in the exact same position for 30 or 40 years. And what I realized is that because these people were in these positions for so long, and the company didn't do the best job, because they did do some investing into their employees, but there was definitely room for improvement because they didn't do a great job, and some employees, got lost in the shuffle, if you will. I noticed there was stagnation in certain departments. And so I just wanted to work for a company that valued leadership without having a title. And Corehesion is that company. It's one of their core values. So if you are, an HR manager, a CEO, some type of VP or manager, and you have direct reports up under you, and you are having a hard time pulling that leadership capabilities out of your employees, then definitely, give us a call. Let's hop on a phone call and talk about it. Now, I do understand that, not everybody wants to be leaders and be in a spotlight, or, whatever their hang up is about leadership. We understand that. But how important is having leaders in your organization is to you? How important is having leaders at every level of your company important to improving the bottom line in your company? I think it's very important, to be truthfully honest with you. We could just be real candid. I think that a lot of companies hold on to employees way too long. Employees can't outgrow the company. A company can't outgrow an employee. And if the employer and employee do not recognize this, then all it's going to do is cause for profit to stagger. It's going to cause for, toxicity in the workplace, because now the employee is, not happy in their position because they've outgrown the company. Okay. And now you're in a situation as an employer where you don't necessarily want to get rid of the employee because you feel obligated to keep them there because they've been there for so long. And so now the employer is unhappy, right? Because they're not growing in the manner that they need to grow. So this is something that we can definitely help you with here at Corehesion Development Group, because we have because we have the mindset, the vision, and leadership is based on our value system here at the company. So yeah, I just wanted to just come on here and just talk about why I am passionate about this particular company, and I'm pretty sure there are a lot of companies out there that are doing the same thing. It's just that in my experience, the companies that I work for just, could have done a better job at developing their employees. So it's just really, really refreshing to work for a company that follows an employee first approach and knows and understands why employees are valuable assets in their company, and a company that chooses to motivate, encourage, and invest in their employees. It's just really, really refreshing. So yeah, I just want to come on here and do a quick video for you, and I'm about to get back to shooting content now. So once again, every Thursdays for Team Building Thursdays, we drop a new video resource that you can use starting today to help transform your company culture into an inclusive, engaged community. I'll see you next time.